Ever dreamt of simplifying your accounting and saying goodbye to tedious spreadsheets? You're not alone. But here's the burning question. Is Xero actually free? Let's dive in and uncover the truth about Xero's pricing and whether it's the right fit for your business. Xero is a popular cloud-based accounting software trusted by businesses worldwide. It offers a range of features like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and payroll. But the big question on everyone's mind is, does it come with a hefty price tag? Or can you enjoy its benefits without breaking the bank? Addressing the core question, is Xero free? The short answer? No, Xero is not entirely free. Like most cloud-based software, it operates on a subscription model. This means you'll pay a recurring fee to access and utilize the platform. However, Xero does offer a free trial. This trial period allows you to explore the platform, test its features, and see if it's a good fit for your specific needs before committing to a subscription. Xero's pricing plans. Xero offers a variety of pricing plans to cater to different business sizes and needs. These plans generally fall into these categories. Starter plan, designed for small businesses with basic accounting needs. Standard plan, suitable for growing businesses with more complex requirements. Premium plan, tailored for established businesses with advanced needs like multi-currency transactions and inventory management. Key factors influencing Xero's pricing. Several factors can influence the cost of your Xero subscription. Number of users. More users typically mean a higher monthly fee. Add-on features. Some advanced features like payroll or inventory management may incur additional costs. Country-specific pricing. Pricing can vary depending on your location. Finding the right Xero plan for you. Choosing the right Xero plan depends entirely on your individual business needs. Start by evaluating your current accounting processes. What are your pain points? What features are essential for your business to function smoothly? Consider your budget. Xero offers a range of pricing options, so you can find a plan that fits within your financial constraints. Take advantage of the free trial. This is your opportunity to test the platform, experiment with different features, and see how Xero integrates with your existing workflows. Beyond pricing, the value proposition. While Xero may not be entirely free, it offers significant value for your money. Increased efficiency. Automating tasks like invoicing and bank reconciliation saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. Improved cash flow. Xero provides valuable insights into your cash flow, allowing you to make informed decisions about spending and investments. Better decision-making. Real-time financial data empowers you to make data-driven decisions that drive business growth. Scalability. As your business grows, Xero can easily scale with you, accommodating your evolving needs. Tips for saving money on Xero. Look for discounts. Xero occasionally offers discounts and promotions, especially for new subscribers. Bundle with other services. Consider bundling Xero with other business tools to potentially save on costs. Negotiate your pricing. If you're a larger business or plan to subscribe for an extended period, you may be able to negotiate a better price with Xero. Alternatives to Xero. While Xero is a popular choice, it's not the only accounting software on the market. Some popular alternatives include QuickBooks, a long-standing competitor with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features. Zoho Books, a cloud-based accounting software with a focus on affordability and ease of use. FreshBooks, primarily designed for freelancers and small businesses, known for its intuitive invoicing features. Making the decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Xero depends on your specific business needs and budget. Weigh the costs and benefits carefully. Consider your long-term goals. Explore the free trial to make an informed decision. Xero is a powerful accounting software that can streamline your finances and help you achieve your business goals. While it's not entirely free, its subscription model offers flexibility and scalability. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring the available pricing options, you can find a Xero plan that fits your budget and maximizes your return on investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.